Earn $35 daily by participating in surveys and playing games. Even get a great discount by purchasing from the site. Let's go to the video. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today, we have another amazing website for you so you can keep earning money with our channel. I will explain several ways to earn money on this website. Just make sure to watch until the end and don't forget to like the video. You can sign up for this website for free, and immediately after signing up, you'll receive a $5 bonus. The only condition is that you'll get the $5 when your email is verified on this website, and it is very simple. Just click a button in your email. There are 3 ways to earn money on this website according to the explanations given here. The first option is shopping, which gives you up to 20 points plus cashback for every purchase you make. The second option is service. With this option, you can earn up to 2,200 points per survey. The next option is entertainment and gaming. In this option, you can earn up to 4 points per game. After you've earned points, you can redeem them and convert them into money or gift cards that are available here. One important thing to note is that this website is trusted on Trustpilot, and if you search for it on Google, it has a good rating on Trustpilot. Here, it also provides explanation for the options that I've mentioned, which I'll explain to you completely and share more details with you later. Let's go ahead and sign up. To sign up on this website, you need an email and a password. After entering them, check the box for the terms and conditions and complete your registration. After signing up, you will arrive at this page. This page is actually the dashboard of this website. Here, you will encounter the first section, which is the games. For example, the Monopoly game is here, which gives you 75,000 points. There are other games here that you might not have played before, but it doesn't matter, we will play them anyway. The next section is income opportunities, where you can earn points like 10,000, 39,000, and so on. This is the store section, where you can shop from the stores like eBay, Walmart, Amazon, and receive points for your purchase. How about earning points by buying bread, eggs, bananas, or skincare products? From the top of the website, I'll read the options in order. The first section is shop. The next sections are deals, surveys, magic receipts, games, travel, and more. This section shows your account information. This section is also reward section. Let's click on the deals section. We arrive at the featured offers section. In the first offer, we can earn 52,700 points. The next offer gives 10,200 points. The following offer gives 1,360 points. And the next offer gives 2,550 points. Basically, you're supposed to accumulate points first and then convert them into money. The next section is the service section. After clicking on this option, we arrive at this section, and here you just need to start answering surveys. It's very simple. And just by answering 10 questions, you can earn your points. You don't even have to pay much attention. You can just answer them as if it doesn't matter. The next section is the games which we enter. From this section, we can choose how the games are displayed to us. I set it to most popular. After choosing, you can even select the genre of the game. For example, puzzle, simulation, strategy, or casino. Or whether you play the game on your iPhone or Android. I set it to all games here, so all games are shown to you. But if you want, you can choose exactly which game is displayed to you. As you can see, the points for these games aren't low. So look for a game you like to earn more points from it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and definitely leave a comment with your opinions about the videos. The next section is Magic Receipts. After clicking, we arrive at this section. This is the section where you can earn points by buying eggs, bananas, or any other product listed here. Alright friends, the name of this site is My Points. If you like, you can search for it right now and start earning from it. Alright guys, we've reached the end of today's video. If you haven't liked our video yet, do it right now and leave a comment with your thoughts on what you'd like to see in the comments of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and recommend the Cash Flow channel to your friends. If you're interested in this style of the videos on earning money from the internet and would like us to introduce more of these sites to you, definitely check out our channel and watch the rest of our videos. Until the next video, may your pockets be full of money.